So I'm going to start the first process of rolling. So altogether we're going to roll 400 times. That sounds like a lot, but it doesn't take long. I'm just unraveling the ends of my towel. And I'm going to start down one end here with the towel wrapped around, and I'm going to roll that around my rolling stick, which you guys are going to have the plastic rod. So I'm going to roll it up. It doesn't have to be really, really tight. It doesn't matter if it moves slightly. And then I'm going to take my ties and tie that up into a little sausage there. Use a bow so that you can undo it quickly. That's ready to roll. So now the first 100 rolls have very, very little pressure. I'm going to count up to 100. So very little pressure, and I'm just lightly touching it and lightly rolling it. So I'm just starting the process of felting. So very, very little pressure to start off with, and I'm going to do that 100 times.